welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by Hermosa Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous highlight beauty, and let me tell you, she was extremely easy to put on. So if you are interested in seeing how she looks coming right out of the box, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? So I am super duper excited again, y'all. I am working with this amazing brand, Hermosa Hair, and we're about to get into this gorgeousness. Oh, y'all see this color? Oh my, they got me at the color. Okay, this color and the curls, baby, I'm ready to get into it. Okay, now one thing I can say about this wig, it don't have no clips in sight, honey. No clip or no band. You know, they have the adjustable band in the back. It's nowhere. Okay, so if you expecting that in this unit, it's a no. Now they do provide clips that you can sew in yourself, so you do have that option, but don't be expecting clips already sewn into the wig. I know some people don't like clips. Anyway, I personally like my clips, but the band is good as well. So we're gonna see how this works without using clips. So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm going to tighten this up. That's how I normally do, because I like my wigs to really be secure and lay flat. So I got it almost attached to it, so let's see how this is.
Usually I don't post, but
okay, so this is fitting. And I got it all the way adjusted to as far as I can possibly adjust it, so it's fitting on my head. I probably could actually loosen it up a little bit, and it's fitting pretty good. Now I do have room in the back, so it is roomy, and the band really helps it stays on your head, so I'm liking that. All right, she on there. Okay, y'all, we halfway done. This is easy already. Super duper easy. Let me adjust my mirror. So this is the hairline up close and personal, and you see it comes with the 4C kinky curly type edges. So what we're gonna do is we gotta move this out of the way. Okay. This is how she looks. Hairline comes all the way to here on me. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to, with the front, I'm going to mousse the edges down. This is too much for me, so we're gonna get her together. First, let's spritz her down with some water. Right now I'm just trying to move the hair out the way so I can see how this lace looking. I'm just gonna brush it back some, get those hairs out the way. So this is how the hairline is looking. It's looking pretty good. It actually looks good on me. I'm liking it. What we're gonna do is we're going to mousse it with, of course, y'all already know my Nairobi setting lotion. We're gonna put it around the edges so we can lay this lace down. We're gonna wear this glueless. Now, you do have the option to glue this down if you choose to. You want some added security, but I like to throw on my wigs and just go. I like the glueless wigs.
Well, baby, gotta hold on and love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold.
Okay, next we're just gonna swirl it just a little bit, so we want it to look as natural as possible. Just a little bit. We're not trying to do too much. Just a little bit so we can get that naturalness. Next, we're going to use my Hermosa wrap to lay the edges down. Let me clip it first. I'm gonna clip this back so it's out the way.
Me outside. Usually I don't.
All right. So while that is laying down, we're going to get into these curls, honey. Now, right out of the box, these curls look amazing. They look absolutely amazing. This is right out of the box. So you can actually take this out the box and wear it just like this. You really don't have to do nothing to this hair, honey. Absolutely nothing, because the curls are above. They looking absolutely amazing. But I want to see how it's gonna look wet, because this will be a great beach ready type unit. So let's see how she looks wet. Then we're gonna mousse it down and then diffuse the curls so you can see how it looks after you wet it and once it dries after it's wet.
Instead of love out loud since we ain't going on so tonight.
So this is how she looks wet. I don't have her soaking wet. I really just have her like lightly mist, not like dripping in water, even though the water is dripping on me. But this is how she looks wet, and she looks pretty wet. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to put some mousse on it so we can help define the curls.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so
All right, I am back, y'all. I'm back with this beautiful hair. So this is her all mousse down and diffused, and y'all see these curls? Oh, look at that. That is simply gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So feel confident that once you get it wet in the pool, in the ocean, wherever you going, honey, once you get it wet and you revive it back, it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. Let's take this wrap off so we can see how this hairline is.
I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Okay, look at that. Okay, this, I don't know what that hair is doing, but we can move that out the way. But look at it. This looks like my hair. So this looks honey, gorgeous. I am basically done. This was super easy to put on. Okay, absolutely super easy. And y'all know this is Glueless.
They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it.
She cute. Okay, she cute. All right, so let me show you the back.
Ain't going on so tonight. Baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, outside.
Hermosa, you show is doing your thing. Okay. Yes. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay. So let's see, because this is an 8x5, honey. So let's see how she looks with a side part going on. Okay, let's see. I'm a left side girly, okay? Let me know in the comments what side girly you is. I'm a left side. So I'm gonna wet this. And then, y'all, look at it. It looks so pretty when it's wet and dry. It looks pretty. But we're gonna do a left part.
Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love on.
Ooh, okay, honey. I'm giving Beyonce vibes. Okay, look at that part. It goes so far back. Wow. Okay, this is so cute. Look at that. Okay, let's put some mousse on this.
Me, timing's right.
Yes, honey. I am Beyonce's long lost sister, okay? Because I'm giving the vibes. I'm giving the vibes over here. Like, honey, you can't tell me nothing right now because I am cute. This is cute. Ain't she cute? Yeah, y'all can't tell me. And look at that parting all the way to the back like that. Y'all can do a deep sea part if you choose to, honey, because she giving. Look at that. She is giving all this hair. Like, honey, go get her. So I put it back in a middle part. Ooh, look at it. She is very easy to maneuver. She is very great. I'm absolutely loving this unit. I'm loving the curls on this unit. It is so easy to maneuver, and it's just the curls are just amazing. This color, honey, look at this color. The color is fantastic as well. The lace, y'all see this lace? Like, honey, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Okay, it's amazing. Before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a goodie bag with an elastic wrap band, wig caps, press-on nails, lashes, and a mini makeup brush kit. So are y'all ready? Are y'all ready to get into the details of this unit? Let me tell you all the tea on this unit. This is Hermosa Hair 4C Edges Kinky Curly Highlight 855 Pre-Bleached Nice HD Lace Frontal that is ready to go Glueless wig. It is drop dead gorgeous. So let me tell you some more about this unit. I am wearing this unit in the color 1B/27, which is like a highlight honey blonde. I am wearing this in the length 24 inches, but you do have the option to get this in 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 of course, 26, 28 and 30 inches as well. The density on this unit is 180%, so it is full. Okay, it is very full, but it's lightweight at the same time. The lace is HD lace. The lace area is a 8x5, so you do have the option to part it in numerous ways. You could do a middle part, a left or right, or do a C part as well. The lace area also comes in a 13x4 and a 13x6 as well, with the 8x5 only coming pre-cut. The other lace areas will not be pre-cut. The hair type, like I said, is a curly unit. This unit does not come with no clips, but they do provide 2 clips for you to sew in if you choose to. This unit also comes with a detachable adjustable straps, and this unit does not have adjustable straps at the nape area. The cap size feels roomy. My head measures at 22 inches, and with that, and I adjusted the band as far as I could, this unit does fit very secure onto my head with no problem, and it does have room to spare. The shedding on this unit is minimum, is to be expected when you have curly units, but it's not an overwhelming amount. It's like your normal shedding that you get with a curly unit, so do expect shedding. This unit is glueless, baby. Look at this. Look at that. So this unit is 100% glueless, but you do have the option to glue this down if you want some added security. This unit is beginner friendly. It did not take me no time to put this unit on. You can basically, if you get the 8x5, you can basically take it out the box and put it on. Okay, it is that simple because the curls come looking amazing. When I tell you it comes looking amazing, it comes looking amazing. Now you may have to manipulate the edges area, but as y'all seen earlier, they did not take me no time to get that together. So this is a really truly a put on and go type of unit. Extremely easy. It's great beginner friendly unit. This unit also is 100% virgin human hair. This unit is very soft and manageable. The undetectable lace makes it an easy beginner friendly unit that you can just throw on and go. This undetectable lace makes it seem like this hair is coming right out of your scalp, honey. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this unit. The cons, the only con that I have with this unit is that it doesn't have clips in it. I like to wear clips with my unit. I like that added security to it, especially I may have let it pass if it was in the back. Like at least give me the back comb because the back area it's not secure to my head. It actually has a gap in the back. So that's really the only con that I have with this unit. It doesn't have clips, or I mean it does have clips, but they do not give you the option to put the clips in. So that would have been nice because honey, I'm a wife and I'm a mom of 4. I work a full-time job. I'm not gonna sew no clips in. I'm just not. I'm not gonna do it. But if you want to sew clips in, or you know someone who can sew the clips in, you do have the option to get it sewn in. I just, it ain't that serious to me. I feel confident in wearing this unit without the clips. So even though it is a gap in the bag, it's not too bad. But I wish it would have had the clips, or give me an option to put clips in more easily without me having to sew them down into the wig. Pros to this unit is everything else is amazing to this unit. Like the only thing I did not like about this unit was it didn't have clips attached or give me the option to insert clips in it more easily. But everything else is perfect to me. Like the lace looks good. It melted really nice. I didn't put any powder to this lace, so if you like a darker complexion, you would have to put powder onto the lace. But me, in my head, the lace did good, okay? The baby hair wasn't too much for me to handle. I just basically combed it more back into the hair. I'm not really a baby hair type of girl. I'm more that natural edge hairline, so I like that about it. I love the fact that it's a glueless and you can throw this on. Like I said, I'm a busy woman, so I like things that's easy but still have me looking fabulous, okay? And this will do it for me. This is something that I can wear to work, to church, date night. If I want to just lounge around the house and look fabulous, I can do this with this unit. So it is great. It's beach ready, vacation ready. Is everything that you want out of a unit. And so then one con and a whole lot of pros. So I would get this unit even without it not having clips in it. I would still get this unit because the band feels secure. Like I feel confident. This unit is not going anywhere. I feel confident. I feel very confident this unit is not going anywhere with the attached band in it. So I would still get it. I just wish it had a clip in it. That's it. And there you have it. I would like to thank Hermosa Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this gorgeous beauty right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save yourself 22% off. So this unit is already affordable, but you are going to get it even more affordable with the discount code below. So make sure you check that out. If you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.